Young Engineers Uganda, the local chapter of an international STEM and robotics enrichment initiative, is training children aged 4 to 17 in engineering and coding. The program nurtures creativity, innovation, and problem-solving abilities essential for the future.
So it is supposed to take them in and have somewhere where it is going to store them. So it is a work in progress.
Yesterday, a whole-day program concluded with a robotics exhibition where children proudly presented their projects to the parents.
We programmed this whereby if the temperature reaches 30 degrees, the fan will turn on, the LCD, the liquid crystal display, will print in, fan on, the LED will turn on, and the batteries will power the fan up. But if it's below, it will be the opposite.
Sensor. It uses two LED lights, a buzzer and a touch sensor, jumper wires, a breadboard and an Arduino board. The LED lights are to alert people at night if they are sleeping. The touch sensor, when the intruder touches it, the buzzer will go off and starts making noise.
Is a home security system whereby if you come within the range of 20 centimeters, the buzzer will go on and the LEDs will start blinking.
If it is raining and you don't know and you're drying clothes outside, this was meant to prevent them from getting wet while they're outside. So when the water sensor, which is here, senses rain droplets, it will activate the servo motor to move this one to cover all your clothes to make sure they do not get wet.
Speaking on behalf of the parents, Mr. Olu commended Young Engineers Uganda for its efforts, highlighting the program's positive impact on the growth and development of young learners, stressing that they not only build skills but also help uncover hidden talents among the children.
His project, which he presented to us, he's able to use the tools they provide here to do basic programming on his laptop and configure a sensor, which can then trigger alarms. Is that right?
Yes.
What's the name of the coding application?
Coding.
Yeah, what's the name of the stuff you're doing?
Arduino.
Arduino. So I really believe this is great for young kids. It enables them, like I said, to be able to think critically, problem solving, and it makes them more open to scientific approach and dealings.
According to Alan Nanyonjo, head of STEM curriculum at the African Institute of Innovation, Science and Technology, the initiative is playing a pivotal role in shaping Uganda's next generation of innovators.
We are nurturing the young generation to be creative thinkers, generally embracing the 21st century skills: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication. We invite you all stakeholders and parents, policymakers, to join our programs. We have holiday programs, we have weekend programs every Saturday, and we are located at plot 157 Semawata Road in Tinda. We also have a Uganda National STEM and Robotics Championship coming up on 7th November. We invite schools to enroll and sign up their projects to come and exhibit. There will be lots of prizes to be won.
Meanwhile, the CEO and co-founder of the African School of Innovation, Science and Technology, Maureen Ibare Karamaji, emphasized that the program is deliberately designed as a hands-on learning experience targeting children from as young as 4 up to 17 years old.
It's been exciting to have these young minds, young innovators, young curious minds. And who knows, the next big thing could come from these ideas. So at ASSIST, African School of Innovation, Science and Technology, we are equipping children with the 21st century skills, nurturing future scientists, problem solvers, creative thinkers, and entrepreneurs. And it's always a pleasure to have children come from all over the place, for them to come and have and do good programs, STEM and robotics, coding, AI, electronics, and a lot of fun.
Everybody say STEM! STEM!